2025 is unveiling mind-blowing inventions that are reshaping how we live, work, and explore the world. From futuristic AI to groundbreaking space technologies, these innovations feel straight out of science fiction. Comment below which invention impressed you the most. RevoPoint Metro Y Pro. The RevoPoint Metro Y Pro is a next-generation 3D scanner that's redefining precision and accessibility in 2025. Designed for professionals and creators, it delivers ultra-high accuracy with rapid scanning speeds, making it perfect for engineering, design, medical modeling, and even creative projects. Its compact portable design allows users to carry it anywhere, while advanced AI algorithms ensure clean, detailed 3D models with minimal post-editing. Whether used for product prototyping, cultural preservation, or digital art, the Metro Y Pro makes high-end 3D scanning easier and more practical than ever before, bridging the gap between imagination and real-world creation. Robotics Alex. The Robotics Alex is an advanced humanoid robot designed to take automation and assistance to the next level. Built with precision engineering, it combines AI-driven decision-making with highly flexible joints, allowing it to perform complex tasks that once required human effort. From industrial work and logistics to healthcare and service roles, Alex adapts seamlessly to different environments. Its real-time sensors provide spatial awareness, obstacle avoidance, and safe human interaction. Compact yet powerful, this robot represents the future of workforce integration, where humans and machines collaborate effortlessly. In 2025, Alex is proving that robotics is no longer just support, it's becoming a partner. Vive Eagle. The Vive Eagle is HTC's latest leap in virtual reality, designed to deliver ultra-immersive experiences with unmatched clarity and precision. Built for both gaming and professional use, it features high-resolution optics, wide field of view, and advanced motion tracking that ensures seamless interaction in virtual environments. Lightweight yet powerful, the Eagle prioritizes comfort for long sessions, making it ideal for gamers, creators, and enterprise applications. With AI-driven performance optimization and wireless connectivity, it eliminates lag while boosting realism. The Vive Eagle pushes VR closer to true lifelike simulation, redefining how we work, play, and explore digital worlds in 2025. Vivo Vision. The Vivo Vision is a groundbreaking innovation that merges advanced display technology with futuristic usability. Designed as a sleek AR-powered smart device, it projects crystal-clear visuals directly into your field of view, eliminating the need for traditional screens. Its AI-driven interface adapts to your environment, optimizing brightness, contrast, and interaction for work, entertainment, or navigation. With seamless connectivity to smartphones and wearables, Vivo Vision creates a fully immersive digital hub that feels natural and intuitive. Compact, stylish, and powerful, it represents Vivo's bold step toward blending augmented reality with everyday life in 2025. SnapMaker U1. The SnapMaker U1 is a groundbreaking 3-in-1 modular machine that redefines creativity and manufacturing at home. Combining 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving in a single device, it offers unmatched versatility for makers, engineers, and hobbyists. Its upgraded precision system ensures flawless detailing, whether you're crafting prototypes, custom tools, or artistic designs. The U1 also features an intuitive touchscreen interface and AI-assisted calibration, making setup and operation simple for beginners and professionals alike. Compact yet powerful, the SnapMaker U1 transforms any workspace into a mini factory of the future, pushing the limits of personal innovation. Hover Air Aqua. The Hover Air Aqua is a futuristic flying camera drone built to capture stunning aerial shots with ease in 2025. Compact and foldable, it's designed for travelers, vloggers, and adventurers who want professional quality footage without carrying bulky gear. Equipped with advanced stabilization, 4K video recording, and AI-powered tracking, it can follow you hands-free while you swim, hike, or explore. Its waterproof build ensures reliable performance around water, making it perfect for beach trips or poolside fun. With intelligent flight modes and quick setup, The Hoover Air Aqua transforms everyday moments into cinematic experiences, putting aerial photography right in your pocket. Hisense L9Q Laser TV. The Hisense L9Q Laser TV is transforming home entertainment with its cutting-edge triple laser projection technology. Delivering stunning 4K Ultra HD visuals, it offers vibrant colors, sharp contrast, and an immersive viewing experience that rivals premium cinema screens. Designed for large displays, it can project up to 120 inches while maintaining crystal clarity. Its smart features include voice control, AI-powered image optimization, and seamless connectivity with streaming platforms. Energy efficient and eye-friendly compared to traditional TVs, the L9Q brings futuristic home theater technology into living rooms, making every movie night or sports game feel larger than life in 2025. Tensor Robocar. The Tensor Robocar is an advanced autonomous vehicle designed to push the boundaries of self-driving technology in 2025. Powered by cutting-edge AI and deep learning systems, it processes massive amounts of real-time data to ensure safe and precise navigation. With LiDAR, radar, and high-resolution cameras, it creates a 360-degree awareness of its surroundings, adapting instantly to traffic, weather, and road conditions. Its electric drivetrain offers sustainability, while smart connectivity integrates seamlessly with urban infrastructure. The Tensor Robocar isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of driverless mobility, where efficiency, safety, and intelligence redefine transportation. Krone S. The Krone S is a next-generation agricultural machine built to transform modern farming with precision and efficiency. Engineered for large-scale operations, it combines advanced automation, AI-powered monitoring, and high-performance mechanics to handle tasks like harvesting, cutting, and processing with unmatched speed. Its smart sensors analyze field conditions in real time, adjusting performance for maximum yield while reducing waste. Built for durability and sustainability, the Krone S minimizes fuel consumption and boosts productivity. By blending cutting-edge technology with practical farming needs, this machine represents the future of agriculture, making farms smarter, faster, and more efficient in 2025 and beyond. Dream Matrix 10 Ultra. The Dream Matrix 10 Ultra is a next-gen robotic cleaning system built to make homes smarter and maintenance-free in 2025. Unlike traditional vacuums, it combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping in one intelligent device powered by advanced AI navigation. With its 10-in-1 multifunction system, it can map your entire home, adapt to different floor types, and clean with precision, even in hard-to-reach corners. Its self-cleaning and auto dust disposal features reduce manual effort, making it almost fully autonomous. Efficient, powerful, and futuristic, the Dream Matrix 10 Ultra transforms household cleaning into a seamless, hands-free experience. Unitree A2. The Unitree A2 is a next-generation quadruped robot built for strength, speed, and adaptability. With advanced AI and upgraded joint actuators, it can run, climb, and maneuver across rough terrains with remarkable stability. Its payload capacity and endurance make it ideal for industrial inspections, logistics, and even emergency rescue operations. Equipped with 360-degree sensors and real-time obstacle detection, the A2 navigates complex environments smoothly while maintaining precise balance. Compact yet incredibly powerful, it represents the cutting edge of robotic mobility, bringing us closer to a future where intelligent robots seamlessly assist in both work and daily life. Michelin Wissimo. The Michelin Wissimo is a groundbreaking innovation aimed at revolutionizing sustainable transportation. It features an inflatable wing sail system designed to reduce fuel consumption for cargo ships and other large vessels. By harnessing the power of the wind, Wissimo helps cut carbon emissions significantly, making global shipping greener and more cost-effective. The system can automatically adjust to changing wind conditions, ensuring maximum efficiency and safety. Easy to install and retract, it's a practical solution for modern maritime transport. With Wissimo, Michelin is pushing forward a future where clean energy powers the seas. Anti-gravity A1. The anti-gravity A1 is one of the most futuristic inventions of 2025, designed to challenge everything we know about transportation. Using advanced electromagnetic propulsion and gravity manipulation principles, it creates lift without traditional engines or wings. This breakthrough allows it to hover, glide, and maneuver with incredible stability, opening possibilities for personal flying vehicles and next-gen aerospace systems. Compact yet powerful, the anti-gravity A1 demonstrates how future mobility could be free from roads and runways. It's more than a concept. It's the first step toward a world where true anti-gravity travel becomes part of everyday life. Radian 1. The Radian 1 is an ambitious spaceplane concept designed to make space travel more practical and affordable. Unlike traditional rockets, it's a single-stage-to-orbit SSTO vehicle, meaning it can take off, reach orbit, and return without discarding boosters or fuel stages. Powered by advanced rocket engines, it promises quick turnaround times, reusability, and reduced launch costs. The sleek design allows it to function like an airplane for takeoff and landing, making operations far simpler than conventional spacecraft. If successful, Radian 1 could redefine access to space, opening new doors for research, travel, and commercial opportunities. Proxima Fusion Stellaris. Proxima Fusion Stellaris is a groundbreaking project aiming to make fusion power a practical reality. Built on advanced stellarator technology, Stellaris is designed to generate clean, limitless energy by mimicking the reactions that power the sun. Unlike conventional reactors, its magnetic confinement system ensures greater stability and efficiency, solving one of the biggest hurdles in fusion research. The project promises a future where electricity is abundant, sustainable, and free from carbon emissions. If successful, Proxima Fusion Stellaris could revolutionize global energy systems and become a turning point in humanity's fight against climate change. The future is unfolding faster than ever, with inventions like these reshaping how we live, work, and power our world. From AI-driven machines to revolutionary energy solutions, each breakthrough brings us one step closer to a smarter, greener, and more advanced society. Which of these technologies amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know which invention you think will truly change the world.